One crisp, starry night in Starville, the town seemed to shine a little less. The trees, which usually sparkled like constellations, looked dim, their glow barely a flicker. The townspeople whispered and wondered, had the magic of Starville disappeared? But Stella, a fearless little girl with a star-patterned cape, wasn't about to let the magic fade without finding out why. She was curious and determined, and with her loyal friend, Luma the firefly, she set off into the night to bring the glow back to Starville. "Come on, Luma," Stella whispered as the little firefly blinked and buzzed by her side. His radiant glow gave Stella enough light to see as they ventured into the mystical forest. As they made their way along the familiar paths, the trees seemed taller and darker without their usual sparkle. But the deeper they went, the more magical creatures they met. First was Luna, the wise old owl with silvery feathers who perched on a branch and watched them with knowing eyes. "Ah, Stella and Luma," Luna hooted softly. "Looking for the missing glow, are we?" "Yes," Stella said eagerly. "Do you know where it's gone?" Luna tilted her head, her eyes twinkling. "There's a legend," she began, "of a creature called the Glow Thief, who collects light for himself, hiding it away in the depths of the forest." Luma's tiny glow flickered nervously, but Stella clenched her fists with determination. "Then we'll find the Glow Thief." Luna nodded approvingly. "Follow the path to the crystal caves. The answers you seek are hidden there." Thanking Luna, Stella and Luma continued their journey. As they stepped into the caves, they gasped at the beauty around them. The walls sparkled with tiny faint glimmers, casting rainbow hues across the rocks. But despite the beauty, there was something lonely about the place. The light was faint, as if the crystals had once glowed brighter but had lost their spark. At the back of the cave, Stella noticed a shadowy figure, crouched over something small and glimmering. She and Luma stepped closer and saw it was a creature they'd never seen before. Small, with wide eyes that seemed both curious and sad, and hands that carefully cupped tiny specks of light. Are you the Glow Thief?" Stella asked softly, not wanting to startle him. The creature looked up, surprised but not frightened. He nodded slowly. "I didn't mean to steal all the light," he whispered. "I just wanted to make my own glow garden. I've always loved the lights of Starville, but I could only watch from the shadows." Stella and Luma glanced at each other. Stella's heart softened. She could see how much the Glow Thief cherished each bit of light he held. "We understand," she said gently, kneeling down. "But the light of Starville belongs to everyone. How about we share it? You could come to the town and be our glow guardian, helping everyone care for the lights together." The creature's eyes widened in amazement. Do you really think they'd want me?" Stella smiled. "Of course. You've been watching over the light all along. Now you'll just do it with us." With a soft smile, the Glow Thief released the specks of light he'd been holding, and they floated up like tiny stars, filling the cave with a warm glow that felt like home. Together, Stella, Luma, and their new friend, the Glow Guardian, returned to Starville. As they walked, the trees began to sparkle again, brighter than ever, as if they were welcoming their new caretaker. The townspeople cheered, and the Glow Guardian beamed with happiness, his own glow joining the town's magic. From then on, the Glow Guardian was loved by everyone in Starville. And every night, with Stella, Luma, and the townsfolk by his side, he kept the magic of Starville shining brightly, sharing its glow with all.